Coach, welcome.
Thank you.
Matchday 7 in Tema. We face Vision FC, a side that we lost 3-2 last season. How are you approaching this game after a very good win against Asante?
Well, we are approaching with the same attitude. I think beating Asante will give you 3 points. Just like beating everybody will give you 3 points. In order to chase your objectives, I think we don't have to take any match better than the other. We all go to chase for the 3 points. So the attitude is come here and then come for our 3 points.
Coach, you've had a lot of injury situations this season. Are we likely to see new faces coming in, or are we having issues of new injury issues?
Yes, for the injury issues, I came to meet it, and it's still existing. So I think the medical team is working. As some are coming out of injury, some too are going in. But at the end of the day, we'll use what we have, as I always say, to get what we wanted. Because you can't force. I don't like injury players playing. Seriously, they can't give you the best. And at the end of the day, they'll tell you because of this, because of that. So I think this is the situation of the team now, and we have to bear and then make sure we use what you have to chase for what you wanted.
Coach, a lot of the times coaches have to deal with complacency after winning rivalry games or derby games. In their subsequent games, there are issues of complacency. How are you guarding against that?
We've just left it behind us. After the game, I told them the same 3 points as I said from the beginning. And myself, as a legend, I know what you just said is very dangerous. But to those of us who are fortunate to play football and become coaches, we do challenge or warn our players to go out of complacency.
Coach, your striker, Marufin, got his first goal in the last game we played. How much of a boost would that give him?
I think gradually, with those who saw him started, I think, well, aside the goal scoring, he's also coming. I like his best side, which I can't expose now. If you are a coach, you have to think about that. So we are working on him, and I've specified some training for him in a week, 2 times in a week. Myself and he will be on the field and then work on that. So I think by the time we go deep into the the league, it might be okay.
On social media, our supporters are calling for 6 points before we return to Kumasi. Are we getting this one?
They are right to say it because, as I said, your objective is to carry you along the line. So since our objective is to win the league, we definitely have to fight for the 6 points.
Thank you very much, Coach.
Thank you too.